How can I sell my home quickly?
Sell it quick? You can call me. No, I mean, our offers are going to be a cash offer. I'm going to buy it as is. I'm not going to ask you to make any repairs, offer any inspections. You can leave in the house what you want to leave, take what you want to take. You don't have to make any repairs. There's no real estate fees. I am a licensed real estate broker here in Missouri, but there's no fees. And our financing has already been set in stone. So we're already set to close. So as long as I can get clear title, in other words, there's no problems with the title work, I can close as quick as 7 days. So I don't know how quick a person would want to close, but it can go 7 days, 30 days. If they wanted to close in 3 months, as long as I know it's in the pipeline and we being the seller and us have an agreement in terms as far as how much, when, and all that, they can, take it to the bank that it's going to close on that day.
Nice.
Yeah.